Oh my god, part 3, right? This is the worst camera for doing YouTube videos. Anyway, so after you get it, before you sync it, I'll tell you to definitely, here's a little tip that I'm going to give you. Before you actually pull this part down into the body, leave it like this, and then put it into here, so then you know, hey, why is my fish upside down? Oh, because, it puts in this way. So definitely, leave it as is like this, put it in, and then you could just be like, oops. Finding Nemo, more like sweeping with Nemo. Right? And then you could then turn it and adjust it. And then just pull and sink the bit up in there. Give me a couple seconds here to push it on in. And okay. There you go. Nice and secure. And then you don't have to keep on touching the block. You can actually touch this, which gives you a little bit more secure connection. Although this thing's a little loose, but I didn't quite push it in all the way, but you know, it'll go in there just, on camera. I'm not going to push it in all the way, but yeah. And then you have a nice little matching pair from, the movie Finding Nemo. So yeah, for $10, not that bad, because I mean, the charger alone goes between like $4.99 and about $10 for a basic cheap charger. So if you're getting the charger and a cable bite and the charger jacked, for $10, that's great. Of course, you don't get the cable. You got to provide your own cable because, like I said, the cable, you can have a Lightning cable, a Type-C cable, a mini Type-B cable. So they don't know what type of cable you're going to need, so provide your own cable. But charging block, cable bite, charging block, block bite protector, you can't go bad for $10. So yeah, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.